Hi, I'm Viorel Copolovici and I'm a professional chef. Some of you might know me from Essential Cooking Skills or More Essential Cooking Skills, the 2 basic cooking techniques courses right here on Udemy. I've been a little bit busy lately, losing between 26 and 30 pounds without giving up my passion for food and my mission for sharing knowledge about it. I couldn't have done this all by myself, and this is why, for this course, I invited Cristina.
My name is Cristina Ioniță and I'm a ketogenic diet specialist. I can't wait to teach you all the advantages about being keto adapted.
Basic principles of keto diet and lots of nice food. This is all about it. What could be more convenient? You'll have Cristina talking about it and me cooking colorful, delicious foods just for you to start your keto diet today. Let's start together cooking your way through losing weight wisely.